guys, welcome back to the channel. Please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. On the latest episode of MacG Podcast and Chill, he revealed that he received an anonymous letter from one of Anele Tembe's family member from KZN that alleges that Anele was suffering in her relationship with AKA due to the rapper cheating on her. The letter states that AKA allegedly cheated on Anele with Dallas's baby mama. The lengthy letter speaks in detail about how Anele found out about the relationship and how Dallas allegedly confronted AKA.
Hi, my name is Anonymous from Tembe family in KZN. I'm writing this to you, hope in prayer that you will tell the truth. I feel very disappointed and hurt about the Nelly situation. I feel we cannot simply ignore nor tell the truth. Nelly was suffering in a relationship. She struggled with cheating and abuse from Keenan. It started last year. She had mentioned to me that she tried to take her life after finding out he was sleeping with other women. But what really shook Nelly was when she found out sexual messages on her phone of AKA and the Les's baby mama. She was devastated. The messages broke her heart. It was all there in plain sight. AKA was having an affair with Aurelia, the Les baby mama, who was very much involved and still in a relationship with the LES. They have a daughter together. Keenan has been to multiple birthday parties for their baby. Keenan had sent Aurea 20,000 rands to silence her after she was feeling guilty and wanted to tell the LES. Keenan sent her money, but Nelly found the messages and communication about the situation, and she immediately called the LES to tell him, and she sent him all the screen grabs. The LES confronted Keenan, and the two stopped speaking. Nelly says she felt betrayed. He was hurt, broken, completely cut out Keenan. Everyone knows the story. It's not a secret amongst the Joburg North circles. He planned to shoot a music video with him, but then he cancelled after finding out Keenan was sleeping with his girlfriend. The Les also lost his father, but Keenan never attended the funeral. Today they are enemies, but Keenan didn't stop there. He made Nelly feel guilty. He blamed her for the fallout with the LES, and he kept shouting at her about it. He had also introduced Nelly to a life of drugs and alcohol. They took a lot of coke together with Keenan's close friends. Nelly has told us many times that she was suicidal and she couldn't handle the abuse from Keenan. Nelly was not well mentally. He made her feel small, and she was like his lapdog, even though she came from a reputable family. I mean, my uncle is a billionaire. Nelly didn't need AKA after all. Her life was set. From our point of view in the family, Keenan was looking to secure himself. We had a lot of doubts about him from the beginning, especially my brothers. What he did to Zintle was questionable, cheating on her with Panang while she was pregnant. Who can ever forget that publicity, insulting his mother about the situation on Twitter? I really believe Zintle and Bonang know a lot. We don't. They've been through the most. They've been through the most form of abuse. She couldn't do it anymore. I thought she was overreacting when she said she was suicidal, but I'm hurt and knowing that South Africa, AKA will probably get away with it, but he knows what he did to her. He was the only one with her. Why did she kill herself after being engaged just a few days ago? It was all for show. After everything on social media is for show. Nothing is real. People post happy things but suffer daily. What they did argue about, and why was she naked and left to die? I have so many questions for him. I'll never forgive him. His ex-manager committed suicide last week. Nobody's asking why. The Hawks need to get involved. They need to take him and her for a drug test. They need to get Nelly's phone. The proof is all there. She spoke to multiple people about her struggles. Hashtag justice for Nelly. Please investigate the truth. Stop feeling sorry for a killer and an abuser who took Nelly from us. Tell people the truth. From Anon.
Yo, hectic. Now, this email was sent right after she passed away. Yeah, this is not an email because the story now broke. This was before the doors were smashed that we saw.
Yeah.
12th of April. This is from so AK was smashing Dallas's baby mom.
Allegedly. Because of this email, allegedly.
And allegedly he made now the check, because then that resulted in him having not even attending Dallas's father's funeral, allegedly, and he allegedly made her feel like shit for that.
Allegedly.
So what is your take on these new allegations? Do you believe it? Do you not believe it? Please comment that down below, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.